Hello, this is Westgate Real Estate and Property Management, and I am outside of 328 Smith Drive in Petaluma. I'm going to walk you through this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in just a moment, but I want to give you a view of the surrounding neighborhood. This home is located in Westridge, a subdivision in West Petaluma. It's a really sweet neighborhood. There's a 2-car garage. Nice front deck. You come in and you have 2 steps going up to the living room. Nice sized dining room. I'll give you a view of the living room. It's a really quite a large room. Access to the kitchen with a gigantic wall of windows. Kitchen is very open and an island and a sweet little desk. And I think a table, a dining room table or breakfast table would fit in this corner. You step down into a family room with access to the backyard. Nice big backyard with an area that has a nice shade cover. And there's also a really cute vintage 70s wet bar. Kind of tucked away in the corner, very sweet. You can see the kitchen from down here. There's a super big closet that runs under the stairs. Downstairs bathroom includes a stall shower. Full bedroom downstairs and a large closet. Laundry hookups and access to the garage. Really nice about this garage is that it is a finished garage, so it'd make a great workout room, clean storage, just really nice. So let's go upstairs and look at the rest of the bedrooms. Pause here so you can see the living room again and front door. There's new carpet in here as well, and the paint has been freshened up. Hall closet, or excuse me, hall bathroom with a tub and shower. Master suite, and there's a bathroom around that corner. And these 2 bedrooms face the front of the home. So again, this is 328 Smith Drive in Petaluma. Thank you for watching.